Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites and making the first physical connections. Inspect your laptop ports and confirm the GPU supports 2 external displays. This matters more than the chassis brand. Connect the first external monitor to the most capable port. Use Thunderbolt or DisplayPort when possible for higher refresh rates. Once done, plug the second monitor into the next port or use a USB-C docking station. Make sure drivers are updated. That avoids detection problems when you move to configuration. Now configure how the screens behave and why each choice matters. You will typically pick Extend to spread your workspace, but select Duplicate for presentations. In display settings, drag monitors into their physical order so the cursor moves naturally. Set the laptop as primary if you want menus there. Match resolution and refresh rates to prevent tearing and scaling issues. For systems with integrated plus discrete GPU, open the graphics control panel to assign which GPU drives each output and save a profile for future use. Finish by optimizing and testing so your 3-display setup is reliable. Calibrate color and set scaling per monitor to keep text crisp. Adjust power settings so displays don't sleep unexpectedly. Move applications across screens and use snapping or virtual desktops to streamline workflows. If something goes wrong, start troubleshooting. Swap cables, test each port, and reboot. Then reinstall GPU drivers or update docking station firmware. If detection still fails, toggle display modes in BIOS or contact adapter support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.